Yep, I'm reviewing Solaris for the Spectrum 128K. This is a space shooter. Appeared on a Crash cover tape in 1990. This is the 128K. You get the 128 music with the 128. On the 48, you just get the sound effects. It's quite a good game. This is. I prefer this one than its sequel. Its sequel was, for some reason, it was changed into a side scroller, left to right. I like this one the best. It reminds me a bit of Micronaut 1. It's a similar sort of game. It's very good actually. I like it. Just keep putting these baddies on the come for you. Very good. Watch out for these baddies right here. There's loads of baddies to kill. There's a planet on the left, top left hand of the screen for show. So I'm on level completed now. So bonus has been awarded for every life left. More terrors await you ahead. Prepare for battle. Ahaha. Now on level 2. As you can see, the planets have changed now. But the baddies more harder. It's a great little game. I do like it. I'm going to give Solaris a 7 out of 10. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.